Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Ibis Pen X tutorial how to make a glow effect. So for example, I will create new layer and I will move into this second layer, change the background into black color and then move into the third layer. Okay, you can draw a circle. We can set the color into white. And the next you can fill inside this circle. Okay, use magic wand, select the circle, and then we can copy, and the next paste the object. Click OK. Okay, you can move the object to drag here, and then we can set this remove selection area. Now I will change the color for this object into blue color. After it, click on the white circle and then we can create filter effect. So you can use the Gaussian blur. You can increase, decrease the blur like in here. Click OK. And then we can resize the objects. After it, you can move into the blue circle. Like this. Click OK to apply. You can select again this blue circle. And then we can effect again with Gaussian blur. You can decrease. Click OK again. If you want to scale again for the glow, you can select the objects, the white, and then you can use the transform tools to resize the light. Okay, that's it for basic Ibis Pen X tutorial, how to make a glow effect. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.